Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A74, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen right over here, so start off by selecting your language. Now I'll stick with English, so I'm not going to be changing anything here. Let's select next. Then it asks us to choose our region. So I'm gonna just select whichever one and go to the next page, which is the user agreement. Now you can read exactly what you're agreeing to, and at the end of the day you need to check the box at the bottom and you can go further. And we have some user experience, security and protection, whatever. Let's tap on next. Next. And we have Wi-Fi connection, so here we can connect to Wi-Fi if you choose to, if you actually have one that you can connect to right now. If you don't worry, you can simply skip it and do it later on through the settings, which is what I'm gonna do. So let's skip it. Then I have Wi-Fi assistant. This is just option for the Wi-Fi, which selects a best Wi-Fi. If you have more than one that you can connect to, that you have connected previously, then it will choose the better one. And once you select the first option for the Wi-Fi, it also gives you an option that if whatever Wi-Fis you have in the area suck, then the device will automatically switch to mobile network instead. So you can select if you want this or if you don't want this. Now the second option might vary depending on what your plan is. So if you have fairly low plan, like not very many gigabytes of data that you can use, then probably I would discourage you from using this. But anyway, let's go to the next page. We have Google services, so we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. So you can read exactly what each one of them does by just tapping on a drop down, and if you don't like it, you can disable them like so. And from there, let's go to the next page, which is setting up a screen lock. Now it gives us an option of face recognition, fingerprint, and screen lock, not a password. So one thing that bugs me right here with OPPO is their idiotic password use. Password is an alphabetical one. It defaults to a PIN instead. And if you go into other, not passwords types, come on, that frustrates me for some reason way too much. But as you can see, we have option of a pattern here, a 4-digit PIN, not a password. There's a significant difference between this. Then we have a 4 to 16-digit PIN, and then we have an actual password here. So you can use an alphabetical password. So choose whichever one you want. I prefer the pattern right here, so that's what I'm going to use. Once you draw it twice, it will automatically confirm itself, and there we go. And the next page, we have some recommended auto update overnight. This is just a system update, so if you want something like that, you can select it to be enabled. If you don't, then simply just go to the next page without selecting anything. Then we have import data. So this will allow you to just move all the data from your older device to this one using their application. Now they do have an application for this, which you will need to download on your older device, either through a Play Store or through iOS store, whichever one you're using, just so you can move the data over. Now I'm going to be setting up as new, so I'm going to select next, completely disregarding the import option, and then click on get started to get access to the home screen. And there is the setup finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.